What's up, guys? How everyone? Today I'm gonna talk about something new in iOS 13. It's about dark mode. This is, all the time you are looking for YouTubes, you will see a lot of articles about dark mode for everyone, for Samsung and for Huawei and also for iPhone. This is something cool. It will help your eyes. So it's one of the most anticipated features of iOS 13 is a dark mode. If you are unfamiliar, the setting essentially inverts the colors on your screen, so all the white background interfaces turn black. This lets your eyes rest easier at night time. It also just looks really cool. Here's how you can turn it on. First of all, you'll go to setting. After that, you'll go to display and brightness here. After general and control center. So you will have three or more than 6 categories. The first appearance, you have 2 options. First one light, second one dark. Dark mode, it will be turn all the background white colors to the black colors. For LCD, it will not consume some battery life, but in LED for iPhone 11 Pro, something like that, you will find some good for battery. And the second thing, you can choose automatic, so it will dark until sunrise. It's cool. Try it and tell me in the comments